Hi, I'm Tom Houtenbrink, and today we're going to walk through this beautiful Azimut 50 Flybridge. So starting back here, you have a large swim step that is hydraulic. You can keep your tender on here, and it lowers down to become a beach club. Plenty of room back here for 6 to 8 people. Take a look upstairs. These couches are the most comfortable things going. You really have to try these on to appreciate them. Sink comes up. And of course you have a manual sliding sunroof for this boat, but it really lets the daylight in if you want to get some sun up here. Coming down here, and this boat even features a crew quarters, which is full of stuff right now, but it is a nice place if you're bringing an additional crewman with you. Vitrifrigo drawer, pull-out drawer fridges, and Miele induction stove and oven. And you can just tuck that down. Opening windows on both sides of the cabin. Down a few stairs into the atrium, where we have our another fridge and our washer dryer combo unit, along with some storage. That's our quick walkthrough of the Azimut 50 Fly.